enjoy some amazing chemistry experiments that will be conducted by our students in front of you about dry ice. Okay? Dry ice, which is like carbon dioxide, but in a salty state. Okay?
Good, there was time to touch it.
So please slide a small amount of dry ice inside like water. Okay?
Good.
Get the water, it cools down the water and it does losing its coldness. Okay? It heats up and it evaporates into carbon dioxide. I've seen here. It's turned into gas.
Yeah.
This is, of course, called what? Evaporation. Well, yeah, maybe sublimation from like a solid state to what? To gas state. This is what? This experiment requires.
First, we get hydrogen peroxide. Then we want to get soap. After we put the soap, we're gonna put the calcium iodide, and we're gonna put it in water, so it can react with the hydrofluoric.
Thank you.
This is water. It's a shrik. Solution. Just put it in very carefully.
Yeah. With it.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Wait.
Yeah. Yeah.
It consists of mixing different chemicals to form.
What is solution?
This is
Potassium permanganate.
permanganate. Solution. Purple.
Purple, yeah. I'm going to do the invisible ink experiment.
Green color. Okay? Yeah.
It's soft actually. It's good. So now I'm just going to dip. Again, we're going to redouble with the Alright.
I kind of stop here. Yeah. يعني المفروض مدى. Yeah.
Smina, which water? Everyone, now it's time for our students to shine. Please visit each project station, listen to student explanations and enjoy their creativity and hard work. Please thank you.
Oh, wait.
Thank you.
Very good. You made this one? It's so long. Excellent.
does it work? Tell us.
Make a robot with it that walks. First thing I'm going to show you how it moves. Then I'm going to show you how I made it.
Good. Tell us, show us. You made this?
Yes, that was it.
Lovely.
Panel in it and a small small.
When the sun directly hits on it, the panel constructed an unbroken loop.
Very nice.
First, the things are the plastic balls and the cardboard and some bottle caps and also a motor and a turn off switch.
See, this is what we need to see. Nice. Very good.
Used to generate hydrogen.
And then now it's here in the house, right?
Yeah.
Lovely. So good.
Small rechargeable.
Lovely. You made this by yourself? Or with some help? Lovely. Press the arm, okay? Good.
Hydraulic arm and uses water.
Open it so we can see. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Really?
wow. So lovely. Yeah.
Look at
Look at
How you
that.
did it?
Is there any pattern
Fan.
that you use? Oh, there is. Right?
And the foils here inside.
تحويل الطاقة.
Running the hand will get 40 and today we extend about our product. Hi, first of all, we're going to talk about a periscope. A periscope is a tool that they use in submarines and wars so they could see if we have something in front of us and we can't see, they will use the periscope so they could see what's like behind the thing. The periscope is when the light reflects to the mirror that is 45 degrees. The mirror lets the light reflect in a 90 degrees angle, so which lets the light hit the other mirror, which is also 45 degrees. So the light reflects to the other side and you can see what's behind us.
So lovely. Excellent. Yeah. Where? From here?
Yes. Now you can and I got 2 years. I mine was a million as well.
It's daily representing water filtration.
Good.
Why use stones to build and sound water filtration?
Stones and pebbles help to remove large debris like leaves, dirt, clumps, and insects from the water. Why do we use sand?
Because sand is great for catching particles. It traps dirt, dust, and even some bacteria. These materials mimic natural filtration, just like how groundwater gets heat when it.
Good. Excellent. Yes.
To clean the room, I added batteries, a DC motor, a top layer to put the fan and stuff, and here on the ingredients right here. And
It again?
Can you show us how you clean?
Ah, okay, it's a Hoover. Okay. Yes, nice.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Namat Confirmed. Latest ring that is completely safe, and it only depends on the human motor to make the whole ring works. It's made of water bottle cap recycled paper, and this is how it works.
Wow, look at this.
Here, as you can see, everything is completely safe. It's made of DC motor black wires connected to solenoid wires. Both of them are connected to the DC motor, which
But the difference between DC and AC cars is different. Is it quite clear to you?
yeah.
Very good indeed.
The demon core in World War II, it was gonna be used against Japan during the war. It was gonna be used as a bomb.
Alright, so basically how it works is it's made of plutonium, which is a very radioactive element. Okay? Because it's radioactive, it emits neutrons. Now when these neutrons hit other plutonium atoms, the plutonium atoms, they also emit neutrons, and it can form a chain reaction. So scientists, they surround it using, pretty sure it's boron, I'm not sure, bricks or a dome. This reflects the neutrons back into the core and produces even more neutrons. And this can form very strong chain reactions, which can lead to explosions.
They tried to experiment with it. They tried multiple methods to experiment with it. One of the ways they tried surrounding it by bricks to stop the neutrons from it, because when neutrons are hit, they produce more neutrons. He put it up, but it accidentally fell, which caused a nuclear reaction, and it gave the scientists cancer radiation.
Okay, he popped it open with a screwdriver, but he accidentally slipped it, and the dome fell on the nuclear core, producing a flash of blue light as seen here.
Marie Curie.
Yes, the first one went to
برافو حبيبي برافو.
And it distributes weight evenly around the body, reducing pressure points in the spine, providing relief to the back. Leading to feelings of happiness and relaxing.
Raise your voice.
My name is Nisan. I'm from the 6th grade international, and I made a project about the spinning ride. It's a project that's usually a fun experiment, and it's a model for this spinning ride, which is using parks for fun. And I'm gonna show you how does it works. We need to connect these cables.
Wow,
And it works.
excellent. Excellent, good job.
For your patients on this.
Thank you guys, you did a great job.
Calcium group 2.
Very good.
Yeah, here. Charge positive 2. Start.
Come on.
Power the light.
So the fan is going to power the light. So where the fan get the power? Good.
The fan gets the water and the light goes on.
Very good. Excellent. Is there anything that you want to add?
Generated 28% of renewable energy in 2021.
Excellent. Yeah, excellent.
By adding wires, powering the light and a battery.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. Thank you so much. Wow.
Because no.
Light here is shown, here is not shown, right?
Yeah. This door.
The door is there and then we can see it through the window.
Hi, my name is Shemlت and I'm from grade 4A. I'll tell you about my electrical swing.
Good.
First, I got a paper and cut it. Then I got a cardboard, then cut a circle, and then
and I did a new project.
Which is? Okay, good.
It can. It's about
Water?
Water filter.
Good.
The water moves from the rocks to the sand to the cotton, and this results that this water, this dirty mud, comes out to clean water that you can actually drink.
Can you do it? Okay. Because you have a lot of cotton, so you need more water.
Yeah. And more time.
Cardboard sticks, rocks, the sand, and the cotton. And I put the rocks with the sticks and the sand. Remove some of the mud, and then the cotton makes it clean.
Very good. And also you use this so you can see through, right? The plastic ones. Good. So it's Louis. It's correct. So let's say that. Yeah.
I made a washing machine.
Good.
How do I make it? I bring a cardboard and I put and I just put a wall. I put in it a motor and I start it would start this.
Clever idea. So this is how the washing machine works. There is something that moving from the side, and we did not see it.
Hi, my name is Azhar. My name is Yeza, and our topic is recycling. Okay, recycle today and save tomorrow. This is a very important topic and very sensitive one because recycling is very important and could save the world of today.
Containers and electronics and batteries. Why should we recycle?
It saves energy, protects wildlife, reduces pollution, and conserves natural resources. Place recyclables in the correct bins and instruct others to do the same.
Nowadays, there's a lot of problems on why people don't recycle. So there's a lot of new companies that are dedicated to recycling.
This is the globe that we made of our
recycling
main topic of that we should recycle today so we could save tomorrow.
Very good. Very good. Plastic things, and they do not allow
My name is Ian. My name is Alex. My name is Jad. Today we're going to be talking about the respiratory and the digestive system. The digestive system is one of the most important systems in the body because it helps digest the food and extract them all over the body to help prepare the cells and to digest the food into our body.
Food is digested when the food passes through the esophagus to the stomach, where the stomach acids dissolve the food and nutrients, and the stomach breaks it down by contrasting the trash.
The circulatory system is the system that removes waste from the body. It consists of a bladder, the kidney, the renal artery, and the ureter and the urethra. So what the kidney does is it filters the blood and the toxins. You add it here.
So this is the kidney, right?
Add it here. It filters it.
Filter this and goes down. Okay.
Yes.
You can explain it for your colleagues inside the class. So sometimes we're going to have people, to listen to you inside the class, and you have to explain all the experiment in front of them.
This is the esophagus right here, and here is the liver and the pancreas.
And this is the gallbladder, and this is the stomach. This is the large intestine. This is the small intestine.
My name is Noah. My topic today for you is atoms. Atom is the smallest unit,
structure of life. Like everything you can see, sunlight, liquid, gas, all made of atoms. Neutrons, they're neutral, they have no charge at all. Electrons, they have a negative charge. But the electrons will be orbiting around them. Very good. Okay. There's more green. Green is the electrons. They're more than the protons and neutrons inside of the nucleus. So we call this a negative ion.
Negative. And this one is
And then I will be talking about the structure of the Earth.
And the structure of the Earth has 4 layers. The crust, the outer core, and the inner core. The mantle of the Earth is a silicate shock layer that's between like the 67% of the Earth's total mass, which is 84% of the Earth's volume, and 46% of its radius. It has 4.
Can you
show us?
point?
Yes.
This is the first one?
Yes.
And
this
then
is
we
the
go
crust, and this is the mantle, and then this is the outer core, and then this is the inner core.
Hi, my name is Iván. I'm learning and we're from grade 8, and today we're going to talk about eye sensitivity. What is eye sensitivity? Eye sensitivity, your eyes react to light, wind, dust, or bright screens. Different eye colors can be more lit or least sensitive. Blue, green, and brown. White blue eyes are very sensitive. Least melanin, which means pigmented. So let's have protection from red lights. Green eyes are also sensitive to light. They have low to moderate amounts of melanin. Light still passes through, but lesser extent.
Right? Yes, good.
Brown. This project is by me and Arha. We are talking about layers of Earth. Our Earth has 4 layers, as you can see. First we have crust. Second we have mantle. Then we have inner core and outer core. How far into Earth have humans drilled? Hello everyone, welcome to Mada International Academy Science Fair 2025. So, who said that science is all about boring facts and the scientific experiments? Over here, inside this cake stand, we have the electrical circuit for this project. Here is a picture of the electrical circuit and its components. We have buzzer, switch, and wires and battery. Is to pass the probe across the metal wire, the metal buzz wire. So let me show you how it works. Over here I touch the metal wire, so the lights turn on and the eye locks. Today I'm going to be talking about rainwater harvesting. So how does rainwater harvesting work? So basically, this is like rainwater. It doesn't come out really clean. So when it comes to rooftops, people purify it, so it's good for you to drink in the dirty water, and it gets purified and everything. And it comes out clean. Morning today, our project is about lungs and respiratory system. The lungs and respiratory system allow us to breathe. They bring oxygen into our body, called respiration or inhalation, and send oxygen, carbon dioxide out, called expiration or exhalation. The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide is called respiration. Rahaf, what are the parts of respiratory system? The respiratory system is the lungs, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, lungs. As you can see, nasal passes pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, lungs. Air enters the respiratory system through the mouth. As you can see here, this is the lungs, and I will show you an experiment about it. And it's when you take, so you take here. Good morning. Today our project is about simple facts. Purpose: avoid heat and smoking. 5%. The project will continue for a long time. That is around the center. The gun was invented in 1882 by the American engineer.
water and the stick to be fan, like this. How to make water dispenser from cardboard. In this project, I will show you how to make a water dispenser at home. You need straw, cardboard, and water. And that's how you make a cardboard dispenser at home. Ahmed and Hashim say.
Hello, my name is Sam. I'm from grade 5. Today I will talk about plant as a natural filter. The purpose of my project is to understand how plants help clean water. I used dirty water, cut plastic bottle, soil and dirt, and I planted a plant. So now we will start with the experiment. So here the water was so dirty because the soil does not have anything to help it to be clean. And the water in here is much cleaner because we have some things to help it to be clean. So here the water is the cleanest above it because the plant help it to be clean.
Hi, my name is Selma, and today I'm going to be talking about water purification. Water purification means cleaning water and removing chemicals so people can't get sick and animals. Why is water purification important? Without proper purification, water can be contaminated with harmful bacteria, viruses, and diseases that causes people and animals to get sick. Facts about water purification. Water purification can benefit your health. Water purification makes your water healthy. Water purification makes water easy. Here we have a new moon and a full moon. So the sun helps in the gravitational force when we have sun. So this is the new moon. And the full moon, Earth is between the moon and the sun, and the moon makes and the Earth makes a gravitational force.
Okay, bravo. Perfect. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Aya. My name is Kanya, and today we're going to be talking about robots. A robot is an electronic thing that can do things with you without you tell them something and they can do it for you.
In these years, people are building a lot of robots and they're upgrading them by in many years.
A robot is a type of automatic machine that can do specific tasks with no human intervention. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, in this future now, can we use a robot instead of the human?
Of course, if you use the robot for anything, you can tell the robot.
Yes, perfect.
Good morning, Khalil. Good morning. Can you explain to us your project, please? Yeah. Hello, everyone. My name is Laya. I will explain about season and trees, season and weather. Season and weather. The weather is the warmest and sunniest time of the year. In fall, the weather gets... This project let us know what the weather. We spin the arrow and it saw what... Hi, my name is Roshan. Today I'm going to explain your project. Today, I'm going to Your flowers many, but there's 4 stages. All of the 4 stages. Here it's cold. It's winter. Here it's fall. It's hot. Here is summer. It's hot also. Here is spring. This is also hot.
And what happens during spring?
About summer. Hi, my name is Talia. Today I will tell you about my project. Seeing, sound. When they give birth, they have form.
The birds.
Birds have faces of them.
Good job. How many faces do we have?
8.
8. Okay. Can you read for me? Yes.
First,
Yes. What is it about?
it's about the play of summer and fall or winter. And the play is so my name is Faris. I'm the first student. A flower and what is your name?
3.
Hello, my name is Ammar. We should know that the food is surrounded by us and we should know which food we should eat. So hello, my name is Maya. This is the first season, fall, winter, and spring. Then, and Neptune is the first one. And this is my project. My name is Andrew. This is spring. This is summer.
The hottest.
This one and this one.
I don't can see.
بس خليه نفهم.
Can you turn it around?
Hello, this is my project. I hope you like it. And we have the 4 seasons that we all like. We have they will fall. And these and here is summer. We will see to winter. Winter is the season. It's the season that has fall. In fall, the weather will be cold, and the leaves of the stem is root, the flower is leaf.
Good job. Good job. Can you tell me which part that takes?
1, 2, 3.
Good morning, my name is Kayla. I want to tell you the project.
Good job. What do we do in the morning during daytime?
We got from in the dog. My project. There is a
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Hello, everybody. From here.
So where does it end?
From here.
What do we call it?
Water cycle.
Good.
Then
Good.
road.
Which part makes all food? 1, 2, 3.
Hi, my name is Selma. I will show you how the root, how the seed starts and ends from.
Are we going to get here to this cup a clean water? Good. Good.
My name is Farid. My project is illusion. Illusion has nature and people and animals and.
2, 1.
Hello, my name is Hamir. Today I
Okay, what follows after it?
and then summer, and then fall, and then winter.
Okay, good. Which season the animals give birth? Okay. You put it here. Oh, it's magic. Thank you.